My name is Mathew, and I'm the Senior Manager for Performance Engineering at Secureworks. Secureworks is a cybersecurity company. We provide managed security services that includes detection, prevention, and remediation of cybersecurity threats to our clients' IT infrastructure. Our environment is diverse, as one might expect, with event processing in the billions of events. Different technologies are brought to bear to tackle various aspects of this problem, and so having a unified monitoring infrastructure, a first pane of glass, is a key ingredient in our success. So we were looking for a monitoring platform that was forward-looking, would support new technologies as they came out, didn't require a lot of care and feeding, and was advanced in alert generation, and had a compelling dashboard UI. To us, Wavefront was the best fit. Compared to the other platforms we considered, Wavefront was the best solution out there to leverage our current monitoring infrastructure, but then also for overcoming our existing drawbacks of high maintenance needs and the poor alerting and the dated UI. Given that we had a monitoring infrastructure in place, Wavefront was relatively easy to implement. We went from a POC to full implementation in a couple of months. In less than a year, we're retiring the previous system. There were some challenges around metric naming and porting dashboards, but they were manageable. So Wavefront quickly became our unified view across all our teams. The ability to easily compose and share dashboards was key to quick diagnosis of production issues. Also, the Wavefront support team has been great all along the way, and the Slack channel particularly has been very responsive. So in terms of a key learning to share with others, getting metrics flowing into Wavefront, that's the easy part. Taking the time to understand which metrics are important to track in your environment, that's definitely the harder part. Otherwise, you can drown in metrics. Here at Secureworks, we're surfing the Wavefront.